Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing something very random today. Typically I do face masks and things like that at night before bed, but I wanted to do it now. We just went to Walmart and I found this. It's my Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch and it's by, I don't know how to pronounce that, Soo'AE? Soo'AE. I saw it in Walmart and I was like, this is interesting. It says the restorative benefits of Soo'AE's Super Berry Complex soothe and plump lips with nourishing moisture and minimize fine lines and wrinkles for a soft, kissable pout. Soft and kissable. I don't know, I was intrigued. I've never seen it before and I was like, this is cool. Smooth away lip lines, dry, cracked lips in 15 minutes with the nourishing and moisturizing benefits of sea kelp and super berries. Soo'AE's exclusive super berry complex includes a potent blend of 5 super berries rich in antioxidants and nutrients to restore skin and lip health. Includes strawberry, blueberry, bearberry, cranberry, and blackberry extracts. Guys, I've never heard of bearberry. Is that a thing? It's like bearberry, like an actual bear, like the animal. Bearberry. Not just like berry. It's like bearberry, like roarberry. Guys, I'm next level. Directions: remove hydrogel lip patch from package and apply to clean lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Pat remaining essence with fingertips to improve absorption. So you want to make sure not to get any of this in your mouth. It says for external use only. Single-use mask, use immediately after opening. Please discard after use, do not eat. This doesn't look like something that you would eat anyways. I wouldn't think that, but some people might. I have 2 words for you: Tide Pods. Do not eat is extremely necessary to put on packages, every package for anything, even things that are not edible, apparently. I digress. I'm only wearing mascara, so I thought this would be perfect. I'm gonna wash my lower mouth area anyways, just that way it's completely clean, but I'm not wearing anything other than mascara. So I was like, this is perfect. I could do this right now. I really wanted to. We just found it at Walmart and I was like so excited to get home to try it. All right, let me go wash my face or the bottom half of my face, and then I'll come back and then we will open this bad boy up and get started. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to go. Remove the hydrogel lip patch from package and apply to clean lips. It's like huge too. I feel like it's gonna go like completely over like my face. I might end up making myself look super stupid, but that's okay. I do not care. If you guys haven't been around long enough to know that yet, stick around. You will find out that I do not care. I just kind of did one of these guys just to like try and get all the stuff. It's really slimy. Okay, here we go.
Hi. Yes.
That was so funny.
I know. Does it feel good on your lips?
It does. It actually felt really nice. This was cool. It feels nice. It does make my lips feel smoother. My lips weren't like super dry, but they did have a little bit of dryness to them. I'm trying to get all the goodness out onto my lips. Okay, so guys, this actually was awesome. I just laid back for about 15 minutes I laid on the bed. Cadence hung out with me.
Yeah.
Come into the shop. What did you say? Oh, sorry.
And it smells super good.
It smells super good.
It smells good.
Can you guys smell that? If only YouTube had smell-o-vision.
Yes.
But unfortunately,
It does not.
does not. My lips definitely feel soothed and hydrated. It doesn't exfoliate or anything. It's like really, really soft. It's like a silicone type rubbery. It's not silicone, but it's like that. It's like that rubbery type consistency. It's very smooth. So it's not like an exfoliating thing. It's definitely just a hydrating, soothing thing. I'd do that again. 2 thumbs up. 4 thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell. It alerts you every time I make a new video. I post a new video every Friday here on my YouTube channel. Follow me in all my social medias down below. It's all down there. Like the video if you liked this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.